What's up, everybody? I just want to go over the pre-market plan again. Today's Thursday, March 7th. The market just closed about 15 minutes ago. Let's go over the plan. Unfortunately, I did not stick to plan, which is very weird for me, but that ended up me trading without edge in the market and taking small losses, which added up. So we'll go over ES first here. ES, I was interested in passing 5135, 5137 area. I'm interested to long into 5150, 5157, and then 5160. As easy as that sounds was as easy as it was. We made a nice retracement to the 5134 area. We found buyers in here. You could have longed off of this and then taken it all the way to the top of supply, which was in here. And you can see before any actual bearish scenario happened, 5160 hit. Now after that, we rallied up a little bit higher. We rallied up to 5170. Intraday, I did make comments about the 5167 area on ES. There was a lot of buyers first at the 5160 area, and then a lot of buyers at the 5167 area. Now what happened here is I did take a short in here for a nice dump down all the way to here, and I caught this nice win. It was about a $988 win. We then rallied back to it, saw sellers again, and now we're tanking after hours once again after that. This is where Bookmaps is key. It shows you orders when you're far away from it, and you can just see this nasty candle coming in right here. Just no buyers supporting this drop right now after hours. As you can see, NQ the same thing. Big sell-off, which is actually really nice. I want to see us hold into this level for better levels tomorrow. If we trade at all-time highs all the time, it is very hard to trade, honestly. NQ the same thing. I said if we pass 18,182, I want to long the issues here is 18,200, 18,220 key level. I want to see how buyers and sellers react here. If there isn't much selling, we can hold this position or even get after 18,220 passes and target 18,260, then 18,300. What exactly happened there is we found the top of supply in here, 18,220. As you can see, we found a nice sell-off. Once the sell-off happened, we held the bottom of supply, which then should become some form of demand or support, which exactly happened there. We wicked all the way down, and we immediately came right back up. In here, once passing either this zone in here, as you can see, a nice little wedge in here, or passing 18,220, like I said, perfect support right here on this red candle, and then all the way up past 18,300 in here, which you could have sold in here, or you could have sold at the top in here at 18,360. I didn't have much updates on the intraday commentary today because I was live for most of the day with the premium Discord. Now, if we move to a 1 minute, what I said at 12:34 is the market was testing this 1830 area. It was wedging in here to seeing if buying was present, and the same thing for 5155, which a lot of sellers and buyers were present at that level. It was a very big key level, as you can see this wedge in here. We found buyers above both, we supported it, and we moved up for the next rally. At 145, I stated ES wants 5167. If we go back here, this is 145, 5167 in here. You can see a lot of consolidation in here. We moved back, we wedged to it perfectly. This is where I took my initial short right here. We dropped down, news came, and we dropped down even harder. I took, I believe, one contract in here and one contract in here to sell. It was, like I said, $988 profit on 2 contracts. The rest of the day, unfortunately, like I said, full transparency here, I was trying to short the market. I did not go according to my own plan, which absolutely sucks because there was immense amount of buying in here. This is where the plan called for to long in here and to long right here off of this support, and we just rallied up the whole day afterwards. I even said wedging at this 5167 level. This is where Bookmaps is key. Level 2 will not show this unless you're very close. And then this was the trade that I took. I was on mobile, as you can see, that break. And that is it. Very simple pre-market plan today. You could have followed it almost blindly without many confluences and made extreme money. Like I said, my mentality coming into the market was not right. I did not stick to my plans today. Unfortunately, if I did, it would have been big gains. As you can see, some members profited in here. We're looking at almost $1,600 right here, and we're looking at about $1,200 right here and $1,200 right here. In the trading floor, I also post what I have as my screens, my Bookmaps, and all that stuff to help all traders out. Like I said, I do alert my trades. This is not an alert Discord. I want to make traders profitable on their own. The simple saying is, if you give a hungry man a fish, he's full for the day. If you teach him how to fish, he can be full for his whole life. It's as simple as that. I want to teach traders how to trade on their own, how to make these pre-market plans, which I make. I have a full course on it, and how to trade in edge, which is these zones that I make in here. As you can see, these are all confluence zones. even up here when I'm spotting, buying on the tape, selling on the tape. I want to teach traders how to do all of this and be successful by themselves, not just following someone blindly, not knowing what to do, pressing buy and sell. I am here to make other traders profitable on their own terms by themselves. With that being said, I hope you liked the video. Pre-market plans, like I said, they always hit. The master course teaches all of this, from supply and demand, mentality, edge, support and resistance, you name it, it's there from A through Z. I currently just added some quizzes in the master course too, and then by the end of the week, there'll be full-blown tests to see if you're truly ready to mark out your own zones, find your own edge, and take your own risk to reward trades and make profitable trades in the market. Not just going blindly, losing money, and aimlessly. With that being said, thank you for watching.